welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a little review of my new iPhone 13 Pro. This unboxing, I'm going to show you guys which accessories I bought and just showing you guys like me setting up my phone. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful that I got this new phone because my current phone, the iPhone 11, I got the cheapest one. I got the one with the 64 gigabytes. That's not gonna work. Before this phone, I had the iPhone 7 Plus or I had the 8 Plus. I had one of them, so I was really due for an upgrade. So yeah, this was like the best option for me at the time. I did film an unboxing of my iPhone 11 2 years ago, so if you guys want to see that video, I'll just link it down below in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video if you guys love watching iPhone unboxings and if you're currently looking up iPhone unboxings, because when I first got mine, I was literally watching a ton of YouTube videos and, you know, just deciding on which color I should get. But let me know in the comments, which color are you thinking of getting, or which one do you want, or which iPhone do you currently have? Like, let me know in the comments. Everything that I'll be mentioning in this video will be linked below. Let's get started with this unboxing of my new iPhone 13 Pro. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful, just so pretty. I did decide to get her in white. The iPhone that I have right now, the iPhone 11, is in all black. This time I had to get white. It was reminding me of like a pearl. And if you guys are new to my channel, my aesthetic is like very girly and just classy, girly and classy. So I thought the white one would be really nice and classy. Then I was gonna get the gold one, but the gold one kind of looks too yellow. If it was like a dark gold, like a true gold color, like all over, then I think I would have got that one. Now with the new iPhones, they do not have any plastic anymore. It's not the same. She's more beautiful in person. Let me be careful because if I drop this, I will literally flip out. The camera is huge on this. I'm not used to that because as you can see with my iPhone 11, like, let me take it out like this. The silver on the sides and just around it is so pretty. It's like a mirror. And that's another reason why I got this iPhone. And she's the perfect size. I'm glad I did not get the Max, because if I got the Max, like, look at my hand, like, it's tiny. Like, it probably doesn't look like that on camera, but my hands are very tiny. And then what's really cool about this is that this phone literally matches the cover exactly. Once you get your iPhone 13 Pro, you're gonna get this, and this is different because usually with the USB port, it doesn't have this USB-C. Now, like, they're changing, but either way, I'm still gonna use this, so I'm just gonna put it back in the box. And I still wish iPhones would still come with headphones. You got this little pamphlet, comes with a typical sticker, and then the SIM card remover. It's been about a week or two maybe since I last filmed this video, but I was at the part where I was setting up my phone. And this is how my phone looks. Right now it is 6:38 p.m. and I do have this Dior lock screen on my phone. So if you guys are interested in getting this lock screen, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, then DM me. Yeah, this is how it looks. And I also have many different other lock screens as well. So let me show you guys how they look. I have this pink LV one. I still have this one. I love this one so much because of the diamonds. I have this lock screen and it's so pretty. I love it so much. Then lastly, I have this one. So if you guys are interested in any of the lock screens that I have in this video, you can screenshot the ones that I've shown you guys and just let me know which one you want. This is how my phone looks and she is so pretty, so girly, very my aesthetic. And I love how I put these rhinestone camera covers, I believe. Yeah, these are little camera covers. It has the rhinestones on it. Then I have this pink case on my iPhone 13 Pro. I got these from Amazon and this and all the accessories, or most of them, that I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Once I'm done showing you guys my iPhone accessories, which is really cute, then I'm going to be showing you guys the camera quality on this phone versus my old iPhone 11, which I did give to my mom because it's still brand new. Like, it's only 2 years old. I got it in 2021 around this time, so I just gave this one to my mom. But this is how her phone looks. I gave her this case and this too, this rhinestone one. It's kind of like the one that I have, but this covers the whole thing and this only covers the camera areas. But I'll still link this one down below for you guys. I did get this from Amazon and I also got this case from Shein. You guys already know I had bought a new case for my phone from Amazon. It's pink, you know, basic and pink. I had bought some more cases for my iPhone because one thing about me, I love accessorizing. I love changing things up a bit. Right now I'm in a really girly mood. Maybe in the fall I'm gonna be in a black and white mood. We never know. So I had got so many different cases for my iPhone, but that video will be in a separate video. It's gonna be like a girly case haul. So if you guys are really interested in that, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe because you do not want to miss that. I got a few cases from Shein and the latest one that I got was this sparkly one, and I have been wearing this for the past like few days, maybe a week now. But it's just a really nice cute pink sparkly case, and this was only under $1. And I do have a discount code with Shein, which is SMILEY15, and you guys can get an extra 15% off. Yes, you can get an extra 15% off of $1 case. So this is how the case looks on my phone. I love it so much. Like, it matches perfectly with this. Next we have this one, and this one is perfect for this summer. It's giving me beach vibes and I love that, and it's way sturdier than the other one, and this one was like $3 or $2, so it's very sturdy. Unfortunately, I cannot put this on my phone right now due to these little diamonds being in the way. Let me just try and show you guys. Yeah, this is how this one looks. Very pretty, girly. Love the rose gold on it. It's just perfect. I had got this pink case from Shein. It has a silver outlining, then silver buttons. And yeah, it's just pink with silver around certain areas. Fits perfectly, and this looks really nice actually. Soft, sturdy. The silver matches. Okay, the bottom looks like this. Okay, Shein. Everything's looking really good with this case. Maybe I'll leave this one on. This is probably one of my favorite accessories that I got. I got this little car mount or mirror mount, whatever. It's a mount for your iPhone. It's like this, and you could just put on your mirror, glass. This is perfect for content creating or taking good videos, pictures, and I'm really excited to use this. I'm gonna put it on my mirror right here, or my vanity mirror, or my other mirror. Like, I have so many mirrors, it's crazy. So you'll get this clamp, and it's really wide and very sturdy, so make sure you guys do not break a nail while putting your phone on here. It's very sturdy. Has the red part right here, so it's like actually grasping to the phone and the phone won't slip through it. Really good. Clean it or clean your phone, you would get this, and this is really sturdy as well. This is super sturdy, so you know your phone is not gonna drop because of this. So you just put it through here and like put on a mirror and you just do what you do. I only got this for under $10 too, so highly recommend this. Recently I was sent a little power bank as a gift, and it's by the brand Charmast, and I had got it in pink. This is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to show you guys, but this is how the packaging looks. You know, comes with a little baggie. Then once you get it, it'll look like this, and it's not just any power bank. It comes with multiple different cord types. So when you turn it around, it comes with a USB, a regular iPhone charger, a USB-C, then an Android looking charger. For example, I have this candle lighter, like this electric one. I charged it within under 30 minutes and I just needed the Android charger. And to recharge this, all you have to do is put a little USB in here and charge it, or use a USB-C charger to charge this. It will take about 6 hours, 4 hours for this to fully charge, but this can charge your phone or any device really fast. Actually, let me show you guys how well this works on my phone. So let me charge it up, and it immediately charges my phone. You guys see that? And it says the battery on here is 78%. Then lastly, I did get a USB-C 20-watt power adapter, and it's not just any power adapter, okay? Because if you're not new to my channel, you guys know I love very glamorous type things. I am very much a glamour girl. So I had got this rhinestone USB-C port. Look how cute she is. She's that girl, okay? She's very diamondy, rhinestoney, blingy. I'm all about that. And I just had to get this for my actual iPhone charger that came with my phone, just in case, because I do already have enough chargers, like, because you know I have to keep them on deck at all times no matter what. Okay, so for this portion of the video, before I show you guys the camera quality, I am going to be comparing my iPhone 11 or my mom's iPhone 11 to my new iPhone 13 Pro. So for the phones, this is the iPhone 11 and this is the iPhone 13 Pro. This is how they look on the side. You can tell this one has the sterling silver and this one is like a way different material. I honestly forgot the name. Is it aluminum? Like, I don't know the material name. Let me know in the comments if you know. But this is how they look. In the back, you can tell this one has the glass and this one doesn't. This one has the 3 cameras. This one only has the 2. It still has the same Apple logo in the same area. From the other side, this is how it looks. And this is how they look from the front. With the iPhone 11's front camera, the camera is on the right side, and with the iPhone 13 Pro, this camera is on the left side. So I had to get used to looking like at this area instead of the right side of this camera. The bottom of them are completely different. This one has the 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 speakers on each side. This one has 3 and 5 on my iPhone 13 Pro. You guys see that? I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. With the weight of them, this one feels more heavier due to the sterling silver or the stainless steel that's on it. This one is heavier. Now I'm going to be testing the front camera quality using my ring light. Then maybe I'll try to get some from outside by inserting videos, because it's gonna get dark soon and tomorrow's gonna rain. So hopefully I can get that in within the next few days before I post this video. We'll edit then post this video. Right now I'm screen recording and I can definitely see a difference. I don't know why with my iPhone 11. I don't know why with my iPhone 13 Pro it's looking more yellower, but usually this one looks more yellower. I don't know, but I did change the settings with this one. I had the rich setting on this phone, but I changed it to regular since this one didn't have the rich setting, and I just want to keep it even and fair. So now let me try to, can I do this at the same time? Okay. I don't know if I could do this at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture with my iPhone 11 first. Now I'm gonna take a picture with my iPhone 13 Pro. Okay, I see a huge difference. I'm gonna insert pictures right here and let you guys be the judge, because at first I thought the iPhone 11 was looking better, but if you see what I see, let me know, okay? One thing I can tell you with the iPhone 13 Pro is that this camera has the cinematic camera, so it's going to give you that blurred effect in the background when you focus on something. With the camera quality, you can change it to a standard camera quality or a rich contrast camera quality, so that means it's gonna be like a tad bit more darker, but it's gonna look more realistic and not so like bright. I'll try to insert a picture too on how that looks. Actually, yeah, I will, because I recently did a makeup tutorial, and I'll leave that card in that video down below, because that was the first time I tried the iPhone 13 camera quality, well, iPhone 13 Pro camera quality, and it looks so good with the rich contrast. Then it has the vibrant, warm, cool. The rich contrast is my go-to. If you're new here and you guys love girly content, fashion, beauty, lifestyle, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. You guys are going to be loving it here. It's very chill. No drama. We don't do no drama right here. My channel is very peaceful and chill and full of love and happiness. So yeah, if you guys are into that, subscribe. And if you guys are interested in seeing my Apple Watch unboxing video that I did last year, then I'll link it down below for you guys, because I found so many cute watch bands, and I do show you guys how I customize. I do show you guys all the accessories that I got with my Apple Watch, so I'll leave that video down below. That's like my second most recent electronic Apple device video that I have on my channel besides this new iPhone video now. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.